Hello, my name is Nicole, and I'm one of the facilitators of the Rising Researchers Program. Today with me, I have a student participant here to answer a few questions about their experience. So what was your favorite part of the Rising Researchers Program?
Hi, my name is Ariv, and my favorite part of the Rising Researchers program was all the experiments and labs that we did. And the post session, before the actual meeting, we had a lot of projects to do, and it was very engaging, the entire thing. And another thing is that my favorite part was that uh, all the meetings, there were a lot of interesting presentations and things there. And the Zoom meeting was very engaging and active because we joined like breakout rooms and we got to interact with others about it.
Awesome, thank you so much. What advice would you give to a student who's considering Rising Researchers to gain research experience?
Some advice I would give them is to keep up on your work. I would recommend them to also have fun throughout the experience because overall it was really fun for me because you got to learn about a lot of things and you got to do I got to do labs because I haven't really done labs before and using a microscope, and they send all of the materials that you need, so you don't need to go out and buy anything. They just send it to you through the mail. So it was very fun, and it was a new experience to me. So yeah, I would recommend them to have fun, and I'd also recommend for them to follow all the procedures and steps properly and thoroughly.
Awesome. And then my last question, would you recommend this program to a peer or a friend?
I would definitely recommend this to a peer or a friend because um, it's very interactive and you get to learn a lot of things, as I said before. So I would recommend it to them just to gain experience too. And if they want to do this type of thing in the future, it'll be very helpful for them.
Awesome. Well, I thank you so much.